it's Grace ASMR, and in my first video, somebody commented and requested for me to do a harsh wind ASMR and a bit of talking in my real voice, because they said it was their favourite trigger, and so I decided that I'd make a video about it. Like harsh wind ASMR. I'm not really sure what to call it, but that's what I'm calling it. Anyway, thank you, and a huge shout out to Hollywood Bennett for that comment. Alright, let's go on to the video. So she said to do a bit of talking in my real voice and like harsh wind. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna like this video. It's not really my I'm not really a fan of the trigger, but I know probably some of you might like it. So yeah, that's why I'm making this video. So yeah, I'm not quite sure what to say in this video, but trust me, I like to talk, so I'll definitely come up with something. So I guess I could say some trigger words like or tingles, 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 tingles. Thank you again to Hollywood Bennett, I think that's how you say the name, for the suggestions. Just ramble, they said to me to ramble, so I'll just ramble on and I'll try and talk in my real voice as much as I can, not they. Alright, so how's your day? How's your guys' day or night going right now? I just woke up like, how long ago? About maybe an hour ago. So, yeah, I just like to make, ASMR videos, like, whenever I just feel like it, cause it just makes me happy, so that's why I do it. And also, sometimes ASMR makes other people happy, so yeah, that's why I make ASMR videos. Yeah, so how are you going? Nice to meet you. I know I said my next video was going to be an ASMR slime video, but I changed my mind, so, because I saw that I got that request. So my next video might be a roleplay or slime. One of those. But yeah, like I always say in my videos, please feel free to check out my main channel. That's where I do other stuff that isn't ASMR. It's like maybe, I don't know, just other stuff. Oh my god, I'm really tired. But like, I still wanted to make a video. So there might not be another video until like later on, because I'm going to be going somewhere today, so yeah, I won't be able to film, of course, especially an ASMR video. Might be a bit weird because it's out in public and then people are going to be like, what is she doing? So, yeah. So guys, that was the end of the video. Yes. It was. Thank you for watching. This might not be the best video because I'm not really sure, like, how to do, like, the harsh wind sounds, and yeah, so you just, thank you, Hollywood Bennett. I'm not sure, how to say the name, but it was, like, Hollywood something. But yeah, thank you. You guys watching, you can also comment a suggestion, for ASMR though. So yeah, just give me suggestions and then I'll know what you want to see. Bye guys!